in-depth analysis for the XOP Short and DRIP Long. This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the Trading Agent, and this is my stock, Bitcoin, gold, and silver daily market recaps. Please subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.
This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the Trading Agent. This is an in-depth analysis for the XOP and DRIP. I want to do a quick video on it. I was going to do it in a shorter version, but it's going to take longer than a minute. Again, if you have any questions about this video, please stop by the Discord room. A link will be in the description below. If you come on by, check out all the side rooms. There's tons of information. Also, this YouTube channel has tons of videos that are going on that'll explain what's going on in the market, or just kind of give you a better understanding of how the market works. Now, I know most people look at the market as some sort of mechanism that's unpredictable. And again, I try to tell people there is predictability within the chaos. There is order. So, and on that note, let's get into it. XOP. Now, so this is one of the things I'm going to start with, because again, I tell people trading can be an art. It's not always a science. If you were trying to draw hard and fast lines, try to make things very structured, you're going to find at time that in trading, it's not that easy. And when I say it's not that easy, it just isn't. You know, there's no structure that ultimately is always correct. So if there is something in the sense that things change. There's no permanence in the trading. So let's get into that. One of the first things I talked about was ExxonMobil, why I'm bearish, the oil name. This has been the big dog. This is equivalent to Tesla for whatever in my mind. Like, it's the biggest mega cap in the oil space compared to a few other names. It's very relative. Talked about this peaking on the monthly. We said, well, it's going to probably struggle at the top of the volume at price zone. I mean, you literally got, $1 over it, and it backed off. It looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Watch the 20-day. If ExxonMobil fails, adios. XOP. Again, notice how I always zoom out first. For those who are new to following or who've been following for a while, my brain always knows to look further out. Like, price, volume at price, in general, just the market has a memory. The people who own stocks and the ones that are going to be trading it are the ones who are ultimately going to be what? The ones who are going to be making moves on it. So you have to look at the people that are stuck. We're hitting back to the old IPO price. We're at the 100-month. The first move up, it's probably going to be a struggle. Remember, keep in mind, it also went from 30 to 140 post split. What did we talk about this morning? And what have we talked about many a times in trading? Novice gaps to close out trades, reversal signals. I saw this thing gap up in the morning, and I told you guys in the Discord room and people watching, like, watch this action. We gapped up, and you can see it really on the 10-minute. And the first opening bar was just a dump, an absolute dump. No one had any desire to get into this. And the reason why this is important is because sentiment is so strong, oil. Everybody loves it. This type of action in itself should put you on red alert, because if you're not paying attention to what's going on at the highs, when sentiment is just never-ending bullishness, but the action starts to flip, you're missing the signals. And so here's the signal. Gap up, outside reversal on the 10-minute, boom, close at the lows. And notice what's happening the rest of the day. If this confirms, like I think, this is the top today. This is where the XOP peaks out. I mean, again, maybe it only drops 10 points. I don't know. I just know a pullback is coming, so the risk is worth the reward. How you play that with DRIP, again, I mean, I try to tell people, like, layer in. If you want to get in, this thing has gotten absolutely shit canned. I'm not saying it's going back to anywhere up near here, but it could pop a double. It could, make 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 100% very quickly. So if you're buying it in the 22 range, under 23, it's a screaming buy, in my opinion. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just be aware that this is an art. The sentiment is crazy now. Like, everybody's bullish oil, but guess what? The powers that be, what do you think? They don't want oil higher. Keep that in mind. We'll talk about XOP later. I appreciate everybody.
Thanks for watching. For more trading knowledge and insight, click on the videos on the right, and also join the Discord room. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, please stop on by the Discord room and let's chat. Thank you.